Oh, how I just love shrimp. You can grill them up so nice, or toss them in a yummy pasta dish. But goodness gracious, there's a catch. Before you get to all that deliciousness, there's that little task of cleaning them. It's not the most glamorous part, is it? That little black line, folks. Some call it a vein, some call it a sand tract. Whatever you call it, it needs to come out. It's basically the shrimp's digestive tract, and while it's usually harmless to eat, it can sometimes have a gritty texture. Plus, let's be honest, it just looks better gone. Cleaning shrimp can feel like a bit of a chore, especially if you have a whole pound or two. But don't you let that stop you from enjoying these wonderful little sea creatures. Now, for years and years, how did we do it? Most folks would grab a small, sharp paring knife. You'd carefully make a shallow cut, right along the back of the shrimp's curve. Then you'd use the tip of that knife, or maybe even your fingers, bless 'em, to gently pull out that dark, stringy line. It sounds simple enough, doesn't it, sugar? But it can be a bit fiddly for sure. Sometimes that knife would slip just a bit, or you might cut a little too deep. And then the shrimp doesn't look quite as nice. It can get a little mangled, poor thing. And then there's the mess to consider. Little bits of shrimp and vein everywhere. It just adds to the whole cleanup process. So one day I was thinking, as I often do, you know those moments when you're just standing there, lost in thought, and suddenly an idea hits you? Well, this was one of those moments. I was in the kitchen, surrounded by the usual hustle and bustle, pondering about how to make kitchen tasks a little easier. You see, I love cooking, but sometimes the prep work can be a bit tedious. That day, I was facing a big bowl of shrimp, and if you've ever had to clean shrimp, you know it can be quite the chore. My kids were hungry, my husband was hungry. The pressure was on to get dinner ready quickly, and I just wanted to get them cleaned fast. I needed a solution, and I needed it right away. I looked around my kitchen, pondering. There had to be something, some tool or trick that could make this easier, and my eyes landed on a simple drinking straw, just sitting there, unassuming among the other kitchen items. Just a regular old plastic straw, nothing fancy. But sometimes the simplest things can spark the greatest ideas, and a little light bulb went off in my head. What if this straw could be the key to my shrimp cleaning dilemma? What if, I thought, what if this could work? It seemed almost too simple to be true, but sometimes those are the best ideas. It seemed almost too simple to be true. Could a humble drinking straw really be the answer to my problem? Could a humble drinking straw be the answer? I had to find out. Curiosity got the better of me. To my shrimp deveining woes and wishes, I was determined to give it a shot. After all, what did I have to lose? I decided right then and there to give it a try. Sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith. What did I have to lose after all? Just a few shrimp and a little bit of time. It was worth the experiment. Just a few shrimp and a little bit of time. So I grabbed a straw, rinsed a shrimp, and prepared myself for the moment of truth. So I grabbed a straw, rinsed a shrimp. The anticipation was building. Would this actually work? And I held my breath just a little bit. With a mix of excitement and nervousness, I was ready to see if my idea would pan out. Now, you might be wondering, Ree, why a straw? What makes this little plastic tube so special? Well, let me count the ways, my dears. First off, it's incredibly gentle on the shrimp. Unlike a knife, there's no sharp edge, so you're not cutting into the delicate meat. The straw just sort of nudges the vein out. This means your shrimp stay beautifully intact. They look plump and perfect, just how we like them. No more accidental nicks or deep gashes. Another wonderful thing is the speed. Oh my goodness, it is so much faster. Once you get the hang of it, which takes no time, you can zip through a pound of shrimp in what feels like a blink of an eye. Section 5. Getting your ducks or shrimp in a row prep time. Alright, so you're ready to try this magic, are ya? Wonderful. Let's get everything set up first. It won't take long, I promise you that. First, you'll need your shrimp, of course. This method works best with raw shrimp. Preferably shell on, but peeled works too. If they're shell on, you might want to peel them first. Though you can actually do this trick through the shell if it's thin enough. But peeling first makes it a tad easier, I find. Next, you'll need your trusty straw. A regular plastic drinking straw is perfect. The kind you get with a soda pop or a pack you buy at the grocery store. Section 6, the main event, using that straw like a pro. Okay, here we go. Grab a peeled shrimp, hold it gently in one hand, bless its little heart. You'll see the dark line running along its back. Sometimes it's very obvious, sometimes fainter, but it's usually there, just under the surface. Now take your clean drinking straw in your other hand. You're going to insert the straw just a little bit below where the vein starts, usually near the head end of the shrimp, or what was the head end if it's removed. Now here's the magic part, y'all. You want to aim the straw so it runs parallel to that dark vein. Gently push the end of the straw into the back of the shrimp just a tiny bit. Then, carefully and steadily push the straw along the path of the vein towards the tail. You don't need to push too hard now. Section 7. Extra Sparkle. Tips for Tip-Top Shrimpin'. Welcome to the ultimate guide to making your shrimp preparation as smooth and efficient as possible. Now that you know the basic technique, let me share a few little extra tips to make your shrimp deveining even better. These tips will not only save you time, but also ensure that your shrimp are perfectly prepped every single time. First, chilled shrimp are often easier to work with. When shrimp are cold, they tend to be firmer, which makes the deveining process much simpler and more efficient. They tend to be a bit firmer, which helps them hold their shape as you're pushing the straw through. This firmness is crucial because it prevents the shrimp from becoming too mushy or falling apart during the process. So, keep them in the fridge until you're ready, or give them a quick ice bath. This little step can make a big difference in the ease and efficiency of your deveining process. That little bit of cold can make a difference. It ensures that the shrimp remain firm and easy to handle, making your job much easier. The type of straw can matter just a touch. While it might seem like a small detail, the right straw can make a big difference in how smoothly the deveining process goes. I find that standard plastic straws work best. They are sturdy enough to push through the shrimp without bending or breaking. Paper straws might get a bit soft or bend too easily, especially if you're doing a big batch. This can make the process more frustrating and time-consuming. And those very wide smoothie straws, while they might seem like a good idea, they can actually be too large for smaller shrimp. They might be a bit too big for smaller shrimp. This can make it difficult to devein the shrimp properly and can even damage the shrimp. You want a straw that's sturdy enough, but also slender enough to fit nicely. The perfect straw will glide through the shrimp, removing the vein without any hassle. Experiment a little if you have different kinds. Try out a few different types of straws to see which one works best for you. You might be surprised at how much of a difference the right straw can make. With these tips, you'll be a shrimp deveining pro in no time. Happy cooking! Section 8. Don't you worry. A few pointers and pep talk. Now, the first time you try this, it might feel a little bit awkward. That's perfectly normal, my sweet friends. Any new kitchen skill takes a moment to get the feel for it, you know? You might bend a straw or two, or maybe the vein won't come out perfectly on your very first try, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged, not for 1 second. Just take a deep breath and try another shrimp. Remember to be gentle but firm. You don't want to squish the poor shrimp, but you do need enough pressure for the straw to slide through effectively. Think of it like threading a very large needle, with a very cooperative thread, thankfully. Section 9. Go forth and devein. Happy shrimpin', friends! Today, we're diving into a little kitchen hack that will make your shrimp preparation a breeze. Well, there you have it, my wonderful friends. We've explored the art of shrimp deveining, and it's simpler than you might have thought. The easiest, quickest way I know to get those pesky veins out of your shrimp. No more struggling with tiny knives or special tools, all with a simple, humble drinking straw. Yes, you heard that right. A drinking straw can be your best friend in the kitchen. Who would have ever thought, right? Sometimes the most unexpected items can become the most useful tools. It just goes to show that sometimes, the best solutions are the simplest ones. You don't need fancy gadgets to get the job done. Hiding right there in plain sight, waiting for us to discover them and make our lives a little bit easier. It's like finding a hidden gem in your own kitchen. I truly hope this little trick helps you in your own kitchen adventures. Imagine the time you'll save and the frustration you'll avoid. I hope it makes prepping shrimp less of a chore and more of a joy. Cooking should be fun, and little hacks like this can make all the difference, or at least a much faster task. Speeding up the prep work means you can spend more time enjoying the cooking process and less time on tedious tasks, so you can get to the delicious part of cooking and eating those tasty morsels. Whether it's shrimp scampi, grilled shrimp skewers, or any other delightful dish, whether you're making shrimp scampi for your sweetheart or a big ol' shrimp boil for the whole family, these moments are what cooking is all about. Clean shrimp are happy shrimp, I always say, and happy shrimp make for happy meals. So go forth, my friends, and enjoy your shrimp adventures. Remember, the kitchen is a place of creativity and joy. Embrace these little tricks and make your cooking experience even more delightful. Until next time, happy shrimpin', friends. Keep those straws handy and your spirits high. Bon appetit!